Wealth warriors, have you ever wondered what it would feel like to finally take back control of your digital life? To be more than just a user, to be an owner? Today, I'm about to show you something that's going to blow your mind. But stay with me because what you're about to discover could change the way you interact online forever. Listen closely. While the world scrolls endlessly through Facebook, Instagram, and X, something massive is brewing beneath the surface and most people have no idea it's happening. But you, the wealth warrior, you're not just anyone. You're part of a community that moves ahead of the curve. That's why you're here. And that's why you need to hear this. Pi Network, the cryptocurrency movement that shook the world with mobile mining, is now rewriting the rules of social media. That's right. What started as a revolution in digital currency is now evolving into a Web3-powered social force that might just be the biggest threat to Web2 giants we've ever seen. Introducing Pi Social Profile, the world's first large-scale decentralized social network built entirely on the Pi blockchain. No ads, no spying, no algorithms controlling what you see, just freedom, ownership, and real value. This is the future. And guess what? It's already happening. Over 3.5 million pioneers have activated their Pi social profiles, and this number is rising fast. Why? Because people are tired of being the product while corporations rake in billions from our clicks, our data, and our lives. Tired of censorship, surveillance, and manipulation. Tired of building communities on platforms that don't belong to them. But Pi Social Profile flips the script. Here you own your identity, you own your data. You earn from your interactions. Let that sink in for a moment. You don't just use the platform, you are the platform. Every Pi social profile is tied to a KYC-verified user. No bots, no fake accounts, no spam, just real people, real engagement, real connection. And every like, post, share. It all contributes to a transparent, decentralized value system powered by the Pi token. You're not just talking to your friends. You're building your digital economy, one that you control. And let's be clear, this isn't just another app. This is the beginning of a completely new ecosystem. Pi Chat, Pi Browser, Pi Commerce, they're all pieces of the puzzle. But Pi Social is the heart, the social layer, the human layer. And in the Web3 world, that is the key to real transformation. Think about it, Web2 was built on attention, on capturing your focus to sell you ads. But Web3, it's built on value. Real, peer-to-peer, transparent value. You don't need to go viral to matter. You just need to show up, contribute, and connect. And the system rewards you for it. That's power, that's ownership. That's the Pi way. This is bigger than likes and follows. This is about reclaiming your voice, reclaiming your worth, reclaiming your digital identity in a world that's been trying to sell it behind your back. And the best part, you're not late, you're right on time. We're still early, but momentum is building fast. Developers are jumping in. Communities are forming. Commerce is starting to flow. The open Mainnet is on the horizon. And when that moment comes, Pi Social Profile will not be a project, it will be a movement. Wealth warriors, let me ask you this. When the world looks back at the fall of Web2 and the rise of decentralized living, where will you be? Will you be among the first who saw the shift and claimed your space? Or will you be catching up asking, what did I miss? Because right now, you have a chance to be part of something rare, something real. A future where you don't just build wealth, you build freedom. You build legacy. You build community. And it all starts with one decision, to stop being a product and start being a pioneer. If this fired you up even a little, do me one favor. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this with someone who needs to wake up to what's really going on in the digital world. Because the Pi revolution isn't coming. It's already here. And it's not just redefining social media, it's redefining you. Subscribe, like, comment, share. Join the Wealth Warriors movement. Wealth Warriors, let's dive deeper into the Pi Network's ecosystem. Imagine a world where your social interactions are not just moments but valuable assets. Pi Network is not just a platform, it's a revolution in how we perceive and interact with digital spaces. Stay tuned as we explore more about this groundbreaking movement. Now let's talk about the security and privacy features of Pi Social Profile. In a world where data breaches are common, Pi Network ensures that your data is secure and private. No more worrying about who has access to your personal information. With Pi, you are in control. Your digital life is safeguarded with advanced encryption and decentralized storage, making sure that your personal information remains just that, personal. As you connect, share, and engage, you can do so with peace of mind, knowing that your data is protected by the most robust security measures available. Pi Network is committed to maintaining your trust and ensuring that your online interactions remain secure. Join us in this new era of digital privacy and take back control of your data. Stay tuned for more on how Pi Network is redefining digital security and privacy. Finally, let's look at the future of Pi Network. As more people join and the ecosystem grows, the possibilities are endless. From decentralized finance to new social paradigms, Pi Network is paving the way for a new digital era. Imagine a world where financial transactions are seamless, secure, and free from traditional banking constraints. Envision communities that thrive on real engagement and genuine connections, all powered by a decentralized network that values privacy and trust. As Pi Network continues to evolve, it opens doors to innovations we can only begin to imagine. Whether it's revolutionizing how we handle finances, reshaping social interactions, or creating new opportunities for personal and professional growth, Pi Network is at the forefront of this digital transformation. Join us and be part of this exciting journey. Together, we can build a future where technology serves humanity, not the other way around. The future of Pi Network is bright, and it starts with you.